Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. How are you? I hope you all are fine and I am fine too. My name is Rabia Zishan and I am here to teach you English through the online lectures. The purpose of these online lectures is that you have to do work at home. You have to listen to the teacher carefully and follow her guidelines. So let's move on. In this lecture, we are going to start workbook page number 28 and 29. So let's read the statement of this page. WORD word BUILD build ing word building. I told you that what do you mean by word building? It means that you have to build a word. You have to create a new word. MAKE make TWO2 make two WORDS words make two words WITH with EACH each DIAGRAPH diagraph. It means on this page there are some diagraphs and you have to write two words with each diagraph. If there is a diagraph given, you have to make two words. The first diagraph is A. When A and I combines, it gives the sound of A. You can write new words over here like main. A. When A and I combines, it gives the sound of A. Main. 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 Gain. You can write gain. G. Gain means increase. Increase in weight. G. A. Gain. We have made two words of this diagraph. Main, gain. The new diagraph is A-E. It means A in the center and E at the last. You can write a new word like name. A. Name. You can see that A is coming in the center and E at the last. Now you have to make another word name, game. G. While writing, your writing should be very neat and clean. G. A. Game. Game. We have made two words with this diagraph. Now the new diagraph is OU. When OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. When OU combines, it gives the sound of ow. You can write a new word like loud. Ow. When O and U combines, it gives the sound of ow. Ow, d. Loud and cloud. Ow, d. Cloud. Again we have made two words with this diagraph. Now the next diagraph is ow. Now the next diagraph is O. When OW combines, it gives a sound of O. You can write any word like bowl. 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 Next, you have to make a new word like owl. When OW combines, it gives a sound of O. Owl. In the previous lecture, you have made other words, and in this lecture, you have made new words. Keep on writing new words, that it will increase your vocabulary. And I hope that this page has been clear to you. Now we are moving towards workbook page number 29. Now we are going to start workbook page number 29. So let's read the statement of this page. WORD word BUILD build ing. Again on this page you have to build a word by using some diagrams. M-A-K-E, make. W-O-R-D-S, words. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. F-O-L-L-O-W, follow. I-N-G, ing, following. D-I, die. G-R-A-P-H-S, digraphs. It means that you have to write some words by using new digraphs. There are some new digraphs, so let's see what are these. The new digraph is W. What is the sound of W? W. And what is the sound of H? H. When WH combines, it gives the sound of W. When WH combines, it gives the sound of W. You can make any new words like what, when, where. I am going to write what. W H combines, it gives the sound of W. A T, what. And you can write a new word when. W. When WH combines, it gives the sound of W. A N, when. What, when. The new digraph is TH. When TH combines, it gives the sound of the. When TH combines, what is the sound? The. You can write any other word like the, that, this. I am going to write this and that. And what are the spellings of this? The, E. What is the sound of I? E. The, E, S, this. And the, A, T, that. Today you have learned new digraphs WH and TH. What is the sound of WH? W. And what is the sound of TH? The. I hope this page has been clear to you. You have to practice these digraphs at home. Thank you so much.